Let's make oatmeal raisin cookies with 2 substitutions, with keto flour and protein oats from Kodiak. Just made oatmeal raisin cookies using keto wheat flour that has 12 grams of protein per serving per 1/4 cup, and protein oats, which has 10 grams of protein per serving. So with these combined as substitutes for an oatmeal raisin cookie recipe leads to a high protein dessert that you can indulge in. Now let's try this out. Store-bought versus homemade. Damn good. Now for the store-bought. Damn good. I love them both, but this one gives you the protein. Oh,